So, hey friends, today's topic is quite interesting and more serious. So, why? Because Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are going to be banned in India from tomorrow, 26th May. Yes, it's true. But why is it so? What's the current issue? And what are the intellectuals mean about this? So, let's get started. So, at first, what is the issue? The issue begins from 25th February when government launched its several guidelines to OTT and social media platforms. The guidelines include that they should register a complaint of a user to another user. For example, if you guys are trolling me on Facebook or Instagram, I can say that please they are trolling me, do something. That time Facebook has to block those chats. The guidelines say that. Next, during the farmers' protest, this is the really controversial issue, but still it's relevant to today's time. During the farmers' protest, many of the anti government tweets were circulating, and it was found that somewhere or the other foreign influence was there. Government has said that please block those chats and tweets, but what Twitter said is it is the freedom of speech, we can't block. So again, after some time, more issues were there, that government was facing clashes, that YouTube not Twitters and Instagram with the hatred posts during the COVID-19 pandemic. Because of such issues, and what social media companies say, that we don't have staff due to COVID-19, one reason. And what government says, you don't follow our guidelines, then get out of our country. But is it really practical? Then according to me, it will not be practical from tomorrow, because the people don't have a mindset that they Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter may blocked. But yes, it may blocked because there are several security issues with those companies, and they are also not following the guidelines. That's not like these guidelines are only for social media companies, but also for Amazon Prime and Netflix. See, people face harassment, and when people complain to the Facebook, they just say that it's freedom of speech, but sometimes they block it because it's extremely harmful. And when the farmers' protest tweets were circulating, at anti-India, anti-government tweets were circulating, at that time they didn't take a single action, the social media companies. Therefore, what government thought is it's necessary to ban because it's going very anti-national tweets. The outrage of people is increasing due to the social media influence. See, social media is not bad, but if certain people controls it, it's going to be bad. So this was the short podcast on this issue. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel, Motivational Guruji.